Deep puddle. Yeah, you can go through it. Just take the line I went through. It's not bad. Because you just went through some water. Oh, you mean out the back? It's because it's cold. You haven't given. Oh. My boot got caught on the the foot peg. Yeah, that was, or no, my the stupid pants, yeah. It's okay, you didn't fall first, I already fell, so. Yeah, well, I just did fall, so. Cleared out now. Way better, huh? Oh, I like them. Yeah. Dude, your brakes feel like terrible when I felt them. I could pull it all the way to the bar. It almost looks like it was, yeah, it kind of looks like it's, yeah, like right here. Doesn't it look darker? Like they put like gravel down or something? Yeah. Huh. Was it like that before? Oh, okay, well that's probably fine. How you doing, babe? Okay. Made it down to the bottom. That's farther than we made it last time. We'll get inside the trees and then the wind won't be a factor. You can go around, follow me. Well, it'll still probably be a little windy, but... Oh, this puddle got way bigger. Yeah. Yeah, you're not smoking as much now. How you doing? Are you still there, Chrissy? Doesn't it? It clears up over here though. There's not as many puddles, I don't remember, up like the farther in we go. Well, I guess we didn't stay on this trail the whole time. Let's just loop around on this trail. It hurts. Yeah, try to just... Clutch is super easy already. You're okay. Alright, boy. Hop off. Yeah. Yep. Oh, the heated grips are super nice. Yeah, he's got heated grips. I'll get you some. Oh, your brake sucks, but oh, I missed that one. Straight through. Oh yeah. Yeah, yours is. Definitely got a lot more low end. Go left, right? Yeah. Your first gear is really like geared low, which is good. Because my first gear is kind of like your second gear. Oh, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Oh yeah, dude, this thing is real smooth. Yeah, your brakes sucks though. Alright, you lead so I can get my bike on video. We'll wait for Christy. It is sweet. It's real smooth. Definitely, my power comes on a little later, for sure. Babe, how you doing? What? Can you hear? Okay. I'm sorry. What's gonna do it? Okay. lovin'. Some of that sweet lovin'. Oh yeah, not too bad. I feel like you almost need some bar risers on yours. Yours feels a little bit lower than mine. Well, it depends on how you like it, but your bars feel like, mine have more sweep to them. You know what I mean? Yours are like more straight, which I don't mind it. I can hear you now. Yeah, yours feel more like straight outright. Mine feels swept back more. I can see why people like these bikes though. It's real smooth. Yeah, I mean, I don't even notice mine, so I can't really, like, people say that, but I'm like, I don't even notice it at all. Maybe if you need some better foot pegs too. I'd get some like mine, dude. My feet feel like they're gonna slip. Yeah, I don't know. It's gonna just be me. We have the same boots. Super nice. When you're standing up, you know, squeeze with your knees, and then it helps take some of the pressure off your hands. Yeah, this trail's pretty sweet, huh? Nice and open, but it's still like in the woods, you know? Like even the kids could probably do most of this trail. But yeah, it'd be a different type of riding for them. Yeah, so there's just an air bubble in there, it feels like. But you get that out and then they'll be pretty solid, but it's really smooth. Mine are like not smooth. You need to take a break? I bet you if we walk out there, right here, there's probably a pretty cool view. Just hurts. It's like throbbing.
It's like frozen and like...
Yeah, they do. I don't really notice a weight difference, that's for sure. They feel very similar. Yours definitely doesn't feel as top heavy as mine, I would say. Yeah. Maybe mine, if anything, feels a little top heavy.
Well, you don't even really notice that once you ride.
No. Can you turn the light off? Other side. You want to go see over here? There's a view.